Hello everybody, welcome to series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock. This series of videos used to be on another YouTube channel, but now we've got it on the classicmotorbikes.net channel. If you're new here, welcome, hope you enjoy the videos, and if you've watched any of our other series of videos, welcome as well. I hope you enjoy seeing the first series. We filmed this quite a while ago and it was our first go at making a series of videos, so the quality of the video might not be there, but I hope you enjoy it anyway. This is the journey of buying my current Bandit 1200. Don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us what you think about the videos and how you think we did. If you could give us a subscribe and hit the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we do an upload. Finally, I'd just like to thank some of the sponsors that helped us with series 1. The guys at WeMoto, Max Torque cans for the exhaust system, ABBA for the skylift, Suzuki Vintage Parts for some of the genuine parts on the bike, Mad for Bikes for our consumables, Wheels Motorcycles in Peterborough for some other parts as well, and Ven Hill for the brake lines. Series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock will be uploaded on Wednesday evenings at 9 PM. So, let's watch the video. Hello everybody, and this week it's part 5 of the Suzuki Bandit 1200 project. So, I've been riding the bike around, still needs a carbs balancing, but I haven't had a chance to do that yet, but I will soon hopefully. I have been riding it about, as just the main thing I want to do with the bike is try and ride it about, and yeah, it's starting to knock a little bit. There's more of a knocking sound coming from it than a rattle. So yeah, I'm going to keep a close eye on that, and yeah, fingers crossed. So this week I'm going to check the valve clearances. As you can see, the bike's already stripped down, it's already ready to go, so we can get checking. I've took the tank off, took the tailpiece off, which the tank's 2 bolts, 2 pipes and a clip for the fuel sender. The rear tailpiece is the grab handles, which is 4 bolts in total. Then there's 2 screws at the back and then 2 plastic ones at the front, and off it comes. And this just makes it much easier working on the bike. So I've took the valve cover off. That's some 6mm Allen keys, some 5mm Allen keys and a couple of 10mm bolts, and that's nice and easy to get off. And now that's off, I can check the valve clearances. Okay, so we have our trusty feeler gauges. These are imperial, they should be metric. So we've done some calculations with the use of Google, and yeah, we are going to double check this with metric feeler gauges, but just because this is all we have at the moment, we're going to do it with this. So on the inlet, the tightest it should be is 4. So I've got 4 here, and because there isn't a 5, I'm actually going to use the 2 and the 3 together. So I'm going to use this spanner on the end of the crank to turn it into position, which it's already in. So we'll check this one here. Okay. Perfect. That goes in, so that one's good. Time to write it in the book. So, next one, let's see how we get on. There we go. That's on the top one as well. Number 4. So I'm going to carry this on, and then we're going to have a look at the results, see what we find. So an interesting find. I thought the exhaust valve clearances were going to be quite a big tolerance. I thought it was going to be over tolerance, but turns out they're actually a little bit tight. So where the rattling's coming from, I'm not quite sure. More investigation is required. So the exhaust valves, these are all a bit tight. There's one that's a little bit looser, but it's still too tight. And the exhaust valves, they are all okay. They're all on the bottom tolerance. As you can see, all on the bottom tolerance, apart from 3, which are right in the middle of the 2. So that seems to be all okay. So I am going to double check everything with a metric set of feeler gauges, because this is imperial that we've converted over. So just to be doubly sure, I'm going to do it with metric, but I'm pretty sure the exhaust valves are a little bit tight. So once I've checked it with the metric, I'll adjust them and then we're good to go. So, end of part 5. I can't believe it's been 5 weeks already. Thank you all for continuing to watch the videos. We do appreciate it, and we do try and read through the comments. So if you do have any comments, let us know and we'll read through them and try and answer them as and when we can. Series 1 of It's Bandit O'Clock on classicmotorbikes.net YouTube channel will be uploaded at 9 PM on Wednesday evenings. So until next week, we'll see you later.